6 Most Beautiful Black Women of All Time. Number 6. Meagan Good. She is of Puerto Rican, French, African American, and Native American descent, making her an actress with a unique exotic beauty. She was ranked 6th on People magazine's list of the world's most beautiful women. Number 5. Halle Berry, the first African American woman in Oscar history to win the Best Actress award. As a former high-paid star, she has frequently topped various sexiest lists. Number 4. Zoe Saldana. She became widely known for her brilliant performances in classic films such as Avatar, and has always proudly showcased her African heritage. This confidence and uniqueness have led her to frequently appear on popular lists. Number 3. Zendaya. She gained immense fame for her role in the Spider-Man series. With both beauty and intelligence, she is also known for her activism, making a significant impact as a positive role model for young black women in Hollywood. Number 2. Naomi Campbell, a world supermodel, famous for her tall stature, distinctive catwalk, and highly recognizable face.